What's good YouTube? We are here. Highly anticipated video. I just got this in the mail. First of all, shout out to Huda Beauty. 2 days. I ordered this stuff 2 days ago. Come to find out she's got a fulfillment center in New Jersey, so thank you. Shipping quick, fast, easy. Makes my job easier. What are we talking about today? We are talking about the highly anticipated, the product that is talking about you throwing out all your false lashes, all your mascaras. We're talking about Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. I mean, here's the real deal. If I just see this picture, I'm buying it. If that is Huda's lashes and they can make mine look like that, that's what we want. Clean, crispy packaging. Got that diamond shaped going on here. What's this color? It's very Vanta, which means it's very, very black. We've got this diamond shape and we're just, listen, if you made it this far, you're not clicking away because you want to see what this mascara is going to do. Let's just get right into it. This is 2-in-1. This was $27. This was not sent to me. I bought this. Listen, not only do I want to try these products, but I want it to be authentic and that this wasn't sent to me and I'm giving you my 100% full true review here, okay? Oh yeah. Ooh. $27, double-ended. You get 2 full-size mascaras in this, so that makes sense why it's $27. But even if you don't, I mean, we've got brands like Chanel, $32, $34, Lancome, $27, $28, Dior, $30. So you're getting 2 mascaras in here for $27. Volume has a low gravity volumizing fibers for volume, and then the curl and length includes gripping waxes and fibers for immediate length. It's going to lengthen, define, and curl the lashes. So ophthalmology tested. This is suitable for contact lens wearers, which that's me, and it's suitable for sensitive eyes. Just so she went in with the volume side first. Plastic tip fibers, and you can see that it goes kind of like from a short to a little bit more lengthier gripping on here. So we're gonna go in volume first. And always a trick for me when I'm putting on mascara, bring your mirror down, look down into it, so that way there is separation. Okay, just y'all. Do you see that? That's just the volume. Huda, are you about to make me throw away all my mascaras? Okay. What? Do you see that? Look at this. No lash. Lash. That's just the volume side. What the heck is the curl and length side gonna do? Wow. So it's got a little bit of a dip here. And then again, plastic tip brush. Refocus, please. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the curl. She said this took them 5 years in the making. I get it. Y'all. Even when I'm using the brushes on these, they're so like gentle on the eyes, even though they look pretty spiky. The rubber is super soft. What? Huda, you about to make me throw out every single mascara I own. You can't make this up. This mascara just changed the game. Just changed the game. And I don't wear falsies. I'm a mascara girl. Wild. I'm gonna do the other side and then we're gonna come back. This volume side alone is a banger. But then the curl side, legit curls the lashes. My lashes have never been this long ever in my life just by using a mascara. One thing that I do see is that you're going to want to use this and use them one right after the other. Don't let it dry. Like this side dried and I tried to go back in and you could just see it doesn't have that much mobility. So go in with the volume, go right in with the length, but it looks like I have like individual lashes on. Mind blown. Mind blown. I have been in the cosmetic industry for over, it's about 10 years right now, about to be 11, and I don't think I've ever seen a product like this work instantly. I'll be very interested to see how this translates once the stores open back up, because how are people going to be able to like try it on? But like honestly, all you need is this before and after and I'm buying it. I don't care if it's $27, $30. This is going to make everyone's natural lashes look this full. Call the cavalry. You can shut down every mascara that's manufacturing right now. Just shut it down. Shut it down, because Huda just did it. Like, her products continue to do it. I don't have anything else to say. Again, this is not sponsored. This is me on my own wanting to try this product, because when I saw her come out with the video, I'm like, dude, I gotta get that. And you can see on camera, lashes galore. Huda, thank you again. I said this in my last video. She gave me a shout out. I'm shouting Huda out because her products continue to amaze me. They continue to just create this separation from every other brand, and that's what brands are supposed to do. You make it where everyone is coming to you for what product you're launching next. I came, I saw, she conquered the whole mascara game. That's it. Thumbs up, comment below, subscribe if you want. I'm just here to give you the facts, the hard facts. The mascara results are in. 100%. Bomb. Lashes are thriving. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, Cub Scouts. I'll see you in my next video.